crash course on New Zealand adventure activities, an overview of the exciting adventure activities available in New Zealand, such as bungee jumping, skydiving, and skiing. New Zealand is a country filled with natural wonders and thrilling adventures. From bungee jumping to skydiving, skiing, and many more, there are endless opportunities to get your adrenaline pumping. But before we dive into the top 12 popular New Zealand adventure activities, let's take a look at some interesting stories and examples. One of the most famous adventure activities in New Zealand is bungee jumping, and AJ Hackett Bungy is the company that started it all. AJ Hackett is a New Zealand entrepreneur who became famous for his daring bungee stunts. In 1986, he famously jumped off the Eiffel Tower in Paris with a bungee cord attached to his ankle, which drew worldwide attention to the sport. Now, AJ Hackett Bungy operates several locations throughout New Zealand, including the Kawarau Bridge, the world's first commercial bungee site, where you can take the plunge yourself. Another thrilling adventure activity is skydiving. Imagine jumping out of a plane at 15,000 feet above the beautiful New Zealand landscape. Skydiving is an experience like no other, and there are many companies throughout the country that offer this exhilarating activity. One company, Skydive Abel Tasman, offers jumps over the stunning Abel Tasman National Park, where you can take in the beautiful coastline, mountains, and islands from above. Skiing is also a popular adventure activity in New Zealand, and the country has several world-class ski resorts. One of the most famous is Queenstown's Coronet Peak, which offers breathtaking views of Lake Wakatipu and the surrounding mountains. The resort has something for everyone, from beginner slopes to advanced terrain, and is a must-visit destination for skiing enthusiasts. Now, let's move on to the top 12 popular New Zealand adventure activities. 1. Bungee jumping, jump off a bridge, platform or even a gondola for the ultimate adrenaline rush. 2. Skydiving, jump out of a plane and enjoy breathtaking views of New Zealand from above. 3. Skiing and snowboarding, hit the slopes at one of New Zealand's many world-class ski resorts. 4. Ziplining, soar through the forest canopy on a zipline adventure. 5. Jet boating, speed down New Zealand's rivers on a jet boat ride. 6. Whitewater rafting, take on the rapids on a thrilling whitewater rafting trip. 7. Hiking and tramping, explore New Zealand's stunning natural landscapes on foot. 8. Caving, discover the underground wonders of New Zealand's many caves. 9. Surfing, ride the waves on one of New Zealand's many beautiful beaches. 10. Kayaking, paddle through New Zealand's pristine rivers and lakes. 11. Canyoning, abseil down waterfalls, jump into pools and explore canyons. 12. Mountain biking, experience New Zealand's rugged terrain on a mountain biking adventure. These are just some of the many exciting adventure activities available in New Zealand. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or simply looking for a new way to experience the country's natural beauty, there's something for everyone. In summary, New Zealand offers an array of adventure activities that are sure to get your heart pumping. From bungee jumping to skydiving, skiing, and many more, there are endless opportunities to experience the country's natural wonders in a thrilling way. The top 12 adventure activities include bungee jumping, skydiving, skiing and snowboarding. Here's a poem about the exciting adventure activities available in New Zealand. New Zealand Adventure. In the land of the long white cloud, where mountains tower and rivers are loud, there's an adventure waiting for you, in everything you see and do. From bungee jumping off a bridge so high, to skiing down slopes that reach the sky, the rush of adrenaline is all around. In New Zealand, it can always be found. Fly through the air with a parachute on your back, or zipline through forests, avoiding any slack. Jet boat through rapids, feeling the speed. It's an experience that you'll never need. From surfing waves to caving deep, exploring canyons, never wanting to sleep. There's so much to do, so much to see. In New Zealand, you'll always be free. Now, here's a song about New Zealand adventure. Verse 1. There's a land where the mountains rise, and the rivers flow, loud and wise. Adventures waiting around every bend. In New Zealand, the fun never ends. Chorus. Bungee jumping, skydiving, and skiing too. Ziplining, kayaking, there's so much to do. Jet boating, whitewater rafting, canyoning so wild. In New Zealand, you'll never be mild. Verse 2. Caving deep and surfing waves. Mountain biking, through rugged terrain. Hiking and tramping, the beauty surrounds. In New Zealand, adventure abounds. Chorus. Bungee jumping, skydiving, and skiing too. Ziplining, kayaking, there's so much to do. Jet boating, whitewater rafting, canyoning so wild. In New Zealand, you'll never be mild. Bridge. So come on down and take the leap. Feel the rush, the thrill so deep. New Zealand adventure, it's yours to keep. Forever etched in memory so sweet. Chorus. Bungee jumping, skydiving, and skiing too. Ziplining, kayaking, there's so much to do. Jet boating, whitewater rafting, canyoning so wild. In New Zealand, you'll never be mild. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html, = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.